Hello, Jose. Welcome to our research center in Shenzhen. You traveled specially from Peru to Shenzhen, China. How was the first impression?
For example, it takes 26 hours to come here to Shenzhen, to the SmartSafe factory. I feel very excited. And besides, why? Because of the technology, because of innovation, and everything related to learning. For the automotive sector, and what is coming, what is currently here, which is electric vehicles.
Great. So it's the technology that brings you here, right? Of course, yes. So I don't know what challenges are there in the vehicle repair and maintenance sector in Peru? And what can we do? SmartSafe for you, for example.
In Peru, it's slowly entering because it's no longer, let's say, a future, but it's already the present of electric vehicles. So we have come here to train ourselves, to provide better support in the automotive sector and innovation, everything related to technology, automotive, innovation, and everything in the technology sector.
Thank you very much, Jose. And we invite everyone to come to Shenzhen to participate in our electric vehicle training.
And 100% recommended. Thank you.